Now that the git pull has completed, let's make sure that we have all the required files here. Under Appzio, you will find a directory containing everything that we need for the Docker to run. So next step is using the Docker command. So what we will do here is that we copy the command here, and since we don't have Docker started, we will first need to launch Docker, and Docker will install additional software in order to have all the commands available on the command line. So now we wait for the Docker installation to complete. And it will also ask us to log in using the Docker Hub ID. And we are starting Docker. This will take a little moment. Before we can run the Docker Composer command, we need to make sure that we logged in to Docker Hub and git.appzio.com. You will find the instructions from the dashboard. So we will use the username which is created, which is here Appzio Docker demo, and it will ask for our passwords and confirm that we are logged in successfully. And we need to do the same thing for Appzio. And here you see this is a unique password for you. So you can just copy the entire line here. And now we're logged in on Appzio Docker registry as well. And now we can run Docker Compose up. So it will first pull the images. Again, this will take a little while as we're downloading a lot of files. And once this is completed, we will continue to the next step. We have now finished downloading all the required Docker containers, and you should be seeing this kind of an output. So we first pulled MariaDB, then Redis, and finally the Appzio core. Now we can open another terminal window and simply write docker ps, and you can see here that we're running all the required services. If your services fail to start, the most probable reason is that you already have services running on those ports. So make sure to stop first Apache, MariaDB before running the Docker up. Let's refer back to the documentation here. So one of the things that we need to do is we need to add here appzio.com on our hosts file, because appzio.com is what we will be using as our local development instance. So simply pasting this will not work. So what we need to do is, and this is your computer's passwords, and we say this is same as appzio.com. Great. And now another thing to check is our local IP address. You can copy this line and it will tell you what your computer is known as in the local network. We will need this IP address for building the actual Android clients. We still need to do one more configuration part, which is adding the license key. And for this, we will now start PHP Storm add our project there, link all the required files, and then also edit the configuration files. So we'll go ahead and open. Now that we have PHP Storm open, we will open the directory that we've been working with. So under Documents, Appzio, and open. And the first thing we want to do, we want to change the language level here for PHP. So it's currently 5.6. This is the default by PHP Storm. And we'll change it to 7.1. Apply, okay. And then we will have here all the required files that we will be working on.